I know we are expecting JP Nadda, but are we expecting anybody else from the BJP? Amit Shah, the Prime Minister himself, what's the official word?
Well, officially, they haven't said anything yet, Preeti, because the fact is, only when it becomes absolutely clear will the top leadership of the party come in. So right now, they're still watching the results. Of course, they are very optimistic, and hence you're seeing the arrangements behind me. They wouldn't be putting together these arrangements, the dais, the carpet which has been laid out, the podium for any speaker to take to the stage. This wouldn't have happened if they were not optimistic that the top leadership will be coming down. But we're waiting for official confirmation. That is, of course, the norm, that when a result of a victory is out for the Bharatiya Janata Party, it is the Prime Minister, it is the Home Minister, earlier, of course, who was the National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Mr. Amit Shah, they would come down here and acknowledge the support of the cadres and the hard work of the cadres who toiled through this entire period in order to orchestrate a victory for the Bharatiya Janata Party. These are the people who fought the contest, and they're very buoyant right now and very optimistic and hopeful that at the end of the day, when the results are confirmed and announced, the NDA will come out as victors.
All right, Economy, hold on. JDU office, the headquarters of the JDU, also in celebratory mode. Let's listen in. Where the alliance is concerned, JDU and the BJP, those you see, these are visuals coming in from the BJP headquarters in the national capital. We're going to cut across right now to the BJP headquarter in Patna. But before I do so, what will it all come down to? It'll come down to the margins ultimately, and we're going to just go across to where the leads have come in till now. The leads are in on all 243 seats. 125, the NDA is leading. But let's look at the margin calculator on our election intelligence dashboard, where the seats that are being led with a margin less than 500. So that's 12 seats that are being led as I speak with a margin of less than 12. NDA and the RJD is even nil on both of them. They're both leading on 6 each. So NDA is leading on 6 seats with a margin of less than 500, while the RJD is leading on 6 seats with a margin of less than 500. So this is crucial. These 12 seats could actually go either way. And the halfway mark, viewers, is 122. The NDA right now is poised at 125. Let's take a look at margin less than 1,000. Now, it's interesting. Out of 243 seats, 224 are seats where the person leading it is leading it with a margin of less than 1,000 votes. The NDA right now is leading 11 seats with a margin less than 1,000 votes, while the RJD is leading on 13 seats with a margin less than 1,000 votes. So it's interesting, if you just take a look at it, that this number, 24, is less than 1,000. It will define which way possibly, whether the lead actually shrinks or gets bigger. And it is close. Halfway mark is 122. The NDA right now is at 125. The RJD-led Mahagathbandhan stands at 109. Cutting across right now to Kumar Kunal, my colleague, joining us from the BJP headquarters in Patna. Kumar, what are you witnessing around you? Earlier on, everybody was watching very closely, sitting tight. They've been burnt in 2015 before, where celebrations had broken out at the headquarters, only for the mandate to go to the Mahagathbandhan. This time around, get us reactions.
Exactly, the same point, and that's why BJP is very guarded in their response to what the trends are coming on. As you have just told us, that's how the seesaw battle between NDA and Mahagathbandhan is going on in the number of seats, in the number of margin, how the vote share is dwindling upon, and how the scenario is changing quite fast. That's why BJP is not celebrating. But that is not the case of JDU. I will tell you that just a few minutes ago, some of the JDU supporters came to the BJP office with their flags with drums beating, and they celebrated and they tried to make the BJP workers celebrate also. But when we talk to BJP workers, they are not in a mood to celebrate till the final results will come, the final outcome will come. So they are very guarded in their response. Actually, BJP is fighting two inner battles within the bigger battle, which we are saying that Mahagathbandhan and NDA is fighting a close battle. But for the first time, if this will happen, then BJP will be the bigger party than JDU from 2005 till 2020. There is no point when BJP used to be a bigger party, but this time JDU is a smaller party and BJP will be bigger party. So obviously the demand for the chief ministership from within the BJP will also come. Secondly, there is also fight between RJD and BJP to be the single largest party in the state. So these two battles are very interesting. Which will be the largest party in the coalition? That is almost settled. BJP will be the largest party in the NDA. But which will be the largest party in the state? Still the fight is going on between RJD and BJP. So all the workers are keeping an eye over these battles, and they are very, very, very careful.
Right.
Since you also told that in 2006 they celebrated very early, and ultimately the results came opposite. Then they have to came back. So they don't want such situation to arise this time as well.
All right, what we're talking about, it's interesting, is the gap closing in. We'll cut across to our election intelligence dashboard. The gap closing in terms of the single largest party, because it seemed that the BJP was poised to be the single largest party where trends are concerned. The NDA together is at 126, but let's look at the quick seat matrix on where, at least party-wise, the BJP stands at. The BJP right now is at 76, leading in 76 seats, the RJD at 70. So there's just a lead of 6 seats there, and this is what is now going to be closely watched. Which party will emerge as the single largest party? Will it be 76, or will it be, like I said, 76 where the BJP is concerned, or will it be where the RJD is at 70? Which one will emerge as the single largest party? Right now it seems that the BJP has the lead only where trends are concerned. Getting a quick word in, right? All right, let's listen in. RJD right now speaking. Manoj Jha.
विलंब से ही सही, हारना आप ही को है। पोस्टल बैलेट की गिनती आधी रोक दी गई है। क्यों रोक दी गई? मैं इतना सिर्फ कहना चाहता हूं कि जाते जाते और कलंक अपने माथे पे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ना ले, ये सुनिश्चित है। अभी हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि आपका डेटा बता रहा है हम सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी हो गए, और हम तकरीबन 86 सीट पे, टीवी दिखा रहा है 75, हम अकेले 86 सीट पे आ गए हैं। मैं आपको बता रहा हूं बहुमत का आंकड़ा 2 घंटे बाद हम छुएंगे। बस माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी जाते जाते आरओ को फोन करके मशीनरी के दुरुपयोग करने की कोशिश करेंगे।
कितनी सीटों से शिकायत आई है सर इस तरह की जो आप लोग आरोप लगा रहे हैं?
ये स्लो प्रोसेस तो हर जगह से आ रही है। पोस्टल बैलेट क्यों रोक दिया गया? अरे डर किस बात का था? क्योंकि नंबर्स हमारे बहुत जा रहे थे। तो यकीन के साथ कहता हूं जितने भी लो मार्जिन सीट्स हैं उनका कन्वर्जन हमारी तरफ हो रहा है। और मैं
इतना विश्वास कैसे है आपको?
मेरा विश्वास बिहार की जनता के संदेश पे है, और मैं यकीन दिला रहा हूं, आप सब जाइए देखिए नंबर किस प्रकार पलट रहा है। थैंक यू।
निर्देश भी दिया है उम्मीदवारों को सर?
सबको कहा है कि भैया सर्टिफिकेट लेके ही निकलना, उससे पहले नहीं।
मशीन के बारे में
आप जो मैं नहीं कहना चाहता हूं वो क्यों हमसे कहवाना चाह रहे हैं?
तेजस्वी जी सामने कब आएंगे? तेजस्वी जी
बिल्कुल आएंगे, बिल्कुल आएंगे। अभी संदेश वाहक आए हैं, बाद में स्वयं आएंगे।
All right, okay, it's interesting because what you just heard was Manoj Jha from the RJD. He's confident. And it's a little unnerving, this kind of confidence, because the numbers don't seem to suggest it. And he says that this is still in the RJD's bag. It's interesting because the numbers right now are clearly stacked in the favor of the NDAs. It's something that the RJD knows that we don't, because in terms of leads right now, even if you go with margin, only about 24 seats are running a margin where the lead is less than 1,000. But celebrations on at the JDU office right now. Rohit Singh joining us from there. Over to you, Rohit.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.